All right, we're here for probation revocation hearing in the matter of Tatiana Hope. Um, Ms. Hope, I'm gonna allow the probation officer to give a brief recitation of the allegations against you in terms of your probation. I'm gonna allow you the opportunity to respond. Okay? I need both of y'all to raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony about to give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so you got?
Yeah.
Okay.
The first violation of probation, you failed to report as our resident. You have not reported since February the 10th of this year. The next one is you hadn't finished paying off your probation, which you have a court fine of $613 and supervision fee of $160. You failed to complete your responsibility awareness class. You failed to complete your defensive driving program, and you failed to serve the remainder of your time of jail time, which is 4 days.
Now, Ms. Hope, you've heard the allegations against you, and what is your response? Are they true? They are? Now's your opportunity to tell me why is it that you haven't been compliant with your probation terms. You got to speak up for me, okay?
I barely have a ride anywhere. And then I got a car recently. I got a car. I don't drive today. My boyfriend is. He took me while I need to go here and there where I need to go. But I just recently started back working. So now I'm able to take my keys.
Where do you work?
I work at that too. I just got off.
How long you been there?
It's been about 4 weeks now, but 3 weeks actually. My first check that I had got, I didn't receive it because when you first start, they have to put it on your hold.
When did you get your first check?
I get my first check tomorrow actually.
Oh, that'll be the first check that you've gotten.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why couldn't you report?
I barely have a ride.
Does she call?
No.
I called
She
sometimes.
should have called and wanted to be excused from reporting, but due to her case being behind, I told her I can't take her phone report. She would have to actually come in.
Okay. What's your recommendation on this case?
What I recommend is to take away her pre-trial from her and just adjudicate her guilty and restore back probation.
You know what that would mean for you? It would mean that all of these charges would go on your record, and the charge that I'm most concerned with is the charge that would affect your driver's or your ability to get a driver's license. Have you tried to get a driver's license?
Not yet.
Why not? Can you drive?
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
19.
How many children do you have?
This be my third one.
Third? Have you even tried to get a license?
No.
Have you gone to jail?
Besides those days, no, sir.
How far are you?
6.5 months.
6.5 months. Where's your office located?
It's in Bangers, but I come here every other week
Okay.
to report here to Tysonville.
And where do you live?
I live Sylvester, Washington Street, by school.
In Sylvester?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, I'm trying to help you, but help me understand why you can't report when she comes to Sylvester and you live in Sylvester.
My sister be having to work. I just don't have no ride. No way. My mom has to work. She works this 12-hour shift. My sister does.
How do you get to Zaxby's?
How I get the Texas? My boyfriend.
Can he take you to report?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Why hasn't he been taking you to report?
Because he just got the car.
When did you get it?
Think about, 2 weeks now.
2 weeks?
Yes.
Have you been in Sylvester in the last 2 weeks?
I just came last Thursday. The next time I'll be here is June 2nd.
Okay. All right, Ms. Hope, here's what I'm gonna do. And you will reap the benefits of Judge Weaver being away from the bench tonight, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm not gonna revoke your pretrial status at this time. When do you get paid?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? And you'll be back in the office
June
on
2nd.
June 2nd. By June 2nd, on June 2nd, I want you to bring $200 to the probation officer, okay?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna restore you back on probation. But I do want you to know that if you don't comply with the terms of the probation and the probation officer makes the recommendation that your pretrial status be revoked, it's gonna have very, very bad consequences for you. In other words, the court did you a big favor by putting you on pretrial to try to keep all these things off your record. But if you can't cooperate, then there's not gonna be anything that the court can do but to let all this stuff hit your record. And at 19 and being a mother, it's gonna make it difficult for you to get licensed and all that kind of stuff, okay? How soon can you get your license? Where's your boyfriend?
Um,
Who brought you here? You drove?
I didn't have no choice.
I led you into that. But that's gonna be the order of the court. So $200 by June 2nd to the probation officer. Abide by the terms of your probation. Do not violate the terms of your probation again, because that pretrial status is gonna be revoked, okay? All right. You write that up for me and I'll sign it, or?
Okay.
I'm gonna let you speak to the public defender, okay? You had the opportunity to speak?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Ray, we have a probation, revocation hearing. I'm gonna give the probation officer a chance to recite the allegations and give you and your attorney the opportunity to respond, okay? I need you to raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that testimony you're about to give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so you got? Okay.
Okay, your first one is you failed to report as directed to the probation officer, which you hadn't reported since June 17th of 21. You failed to complete paying your probation, court fine, fees, which you paid, which you have left for your court fine is $54, and you have probation fees of, a supervision fee of $150, Georgia crime victim emergency fund is 108. You failed to complete the defensive driving class, and you failed to receive your responsibility, which you paid for, you just had to come back. So those are the reasons why you did that.
Okay. Now, Mr. Ray, are the allegations that she just recited, are they true? Does your attorney have anything to say?
Judge, I mean, at this point, I believe he's done some working, drug court cases in that ballpark. You know, he admits to the revocation at this point, he's just asking for to be placed back on probation and get out of jail, be a productive member of society.
What's your recommendation?
I'm proud of that, Joe.
Okay. That'll be the order of the court.
Yeah, I mean, I don't have an issue with the time he served in jail, which was against his probation dates.
So ordered. That's fine.
I don't know how long he served. I think it's 6
It's
months.
12 days. Do you work, Mr. Ray?
No,
You lost a job because of being in jail, or you never had a job, or?
I was working for my dad, I get on the wrong track, and he said, when you get back on track, I need to come back to work, so I think that's what I'm doing. I've been in jail for almost 2 months now, I've been in another jail for a while,
Tell me, you've been in jail for 2 months.
or 2 weeks, I mean.
Oh, okay. That's a big difference.
Yeah.
Ask anybody in jail.
Could have been in jail, there's some.
But that's true. That's true.
What I hear, Darty County is one of the least favorite.
Blaylock, yeah. Is that where you been?
No, I've been in Turner, it's been good down there, they feed good.
Oh, yeah, okay.
He said he wanted to do 10 more days.
Yeah. Remember that next time you violate.
Jackson's gave it,
Work county.
sheriff, jail.
Oh, because that's right. Miller County does too. They don't have a food service, so they just get them what they want.
I think I need to take a vacation and go to jail.
I have to pay for it.
Thing about being a speaker is like as soon as you get down and they're like, our speaker is. I guess that's all that's gonna show up, so
We have no further cases, I think we have one other person to pay by.
they did not show up.
Now, let me check real quick when you call.
Did you wanna, do a warrant, or how did you want to do the, no, sir?
I'll send them a license
Okay,
and see if they'll pay.
Okay.
See if that'll get them to pay, and if it doesn't, then.
You have that other probation officer?
We only have to.
good to see you again.
You too. So you sent,
And same to you.
I'll call outside, throw out there. I know the case.
Court is adjourned.
Y'all see something?
Not even on.
It is, but sorry, I had it muted right there.
Thank you.